Nissan Titan XD is plagued by persistent engine issues, particularly regarding its exhaust gas recirculation system. This flaw frequently leads to costly repairs and potential engine failures, causing many owners to experience significant performance setbacks. Alongside engine troubles, build quality concerns affect both the Titan XD and Colorado, diminishing their longevity and resale values. Complaints about rattling interiors and paint chipping contribute to the overall dissatisfaction among owners. Transmission failures frequently beset the Chevrolet Colorado, often leaving drivers stranded and burdened with expensive repair bills. Numerous users of recent models have reported these persistent issues. Moreover, the Chevrolet Colorado is criticized for unreliable brakes and a lackluster interior, creating frustration for owners who anticipated a sturdy vehicle. Many have noted the prevalence of cheap materials and premature wear. Both trucks struggle with depreciation and challenges in resale value, complicating the process for owners attempting to sell their vehicles at a reasonable price. It's crucial for potential buyers to consider the financial implications of ownership. In the realm of full-size trucks, the Ford F-150, particularly those equipped with the 5.4L Triton V8 engine, is infamous for oil sludge and spark plug issues, often leading to costly repairs. Such problems have a substantial impact on owner satisfaction. Additionally, many X-Class owners have reported dangerous experiences stemming from trailer stability failures, raising serious safety concerns regarding high-speed towing. These incidents have emerged as a significant worry for truck enthusiasts. The X-Class also encounters performance-related challenges, such as power steering failures and engine issues, which tarnish its reputation as one of the least reliable luxury pickups. Such mechanical failures are unexpected for a vehicle from a luxury brand. Customer feedback consistently reveals widespread dissatisfaction, with numerous owners expressing regret over their purchase due to the truck's unreliability. Consequently, this has led to a tarnished perception of Mercedes-Benz in the truck market. Lordstown Motors sought to disrupt the electric truck segment with its Endurance model, yet it has encountered severe reliability challenges since launch. These issues encompass production delays and untested technology that raises eyebrows. Concerns surrounding the Lordstown Endurance focus on its innovative in-wheel hub motors, known for their complexity and tendency to overheat. Mechanics caution that these features could result in significant maintenance headaches. The Hyundai Santa Cruz, while attractive, has revealed troubling transmission issues that frustrate drivers, leading to skepticism regarding its long-term reliability. Many buyers report critical performance problems that detract from their driving experience. Furthermore, the Santa Cruz has been associated with overheating problems during standard driving, causing fears of engine damage and expensive repairs, particularly troubling for a newly released vehicle. The 2023 Tacoma models face transmission complications, with owners experiencing clunky shifting and, in some cases, complete failures shortly after purchase. This situation raises concerns about Toyota's quality control and has disappointed many longtime fans. The Ford Ranger similarly faces transmission issues and engine failures, leading to frustrations among owners who expected a reliable truck. Complaints regarding build quality and subpar interior materials further exacerbate dissatisfaction. Additionally, a failing turbocharger can cause power loss and incur expensive repairs, undermining the EcoDiesel's promise of efficiency. Owners have voiced frustration over these unexpected repair costs. Moreover, failures in the diesel exhaust fluid system are prevalent, prompting trucks to enter limp mode. This scenario results in reduced power, which poses safety risks while driving. Lastly, real-world fuel economy often falls short of manufacturer claims, leaving drivers dissatisfied. Many begin to question the true value of the EcoDiesel when weighed against its high maintenance costs.